Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to find Shopify store. So simply you have to open my ip.ms, this website. Then you have to type here the Shopify IP like I'm typing here. You can note this IP, and after this, when you type this IP, just click on the red button. So wait for a few seconds. Our Shopify website is being uploaded. So here you can see our Shopify website is finally opened. So here you can see the option other sites on this IP. So after this you have to clear some robotic verification here, and after that you can see we have moved to next page. So here you can see all the Shopify stores are available here, so you can check there are many stores here. So simply click on the view all records. So when you click on the view all records, so here you can find the thousands of Shopify stores.